My channel, I'm Drop, and today I'm going to show y'all where I get my supplies to do my tooth gems. This is actually going to be a really quick and simple video, very easy. It's only about 2 links, I think, and I made it. Oop, I made it very easy to find everything. So let's get into it. The hardest products to find today are going to be the etchant, the bonding resin, and the LED light. And the LED light honestly isn't even one of the hardest ones to find, but they are kind of tricky because you want to have reliable products. So um, we're gonna go, I'm gonna show you guys this link first. So the first website is the dentalbear.com. Okay, so here is the website, thedentalbear.com, and they have all the dental supplies. So, I personally found this after I already found a solution to like getting around the ID and the licensing and stuff. So I already know where I'm getting it. So I haven't tried any of the products from here, but they look very reliable. And I did some research and they're pretty trusted. But here they have a bunch of different options for bonding resin, which was really like I am amazed at seeing this right now because I could not find any of this stuff when I was making my kit. But I'm very happy to see this. You guys can tell this is on the pricier side. So if this is too expensive for you, stick around, stay tuned in because I'm gonna show you a cheaper option other than this. So here's where the bonding resin is, and they also have the, oop, I keep spelling things wrong. They have the etching enamel. Go ahead, sis. Okay, there we go. Here's all the etching enamel, a bunch of options, a bunch of options. And I actually think I might get, ooh, I might actually purchase a drill kit from this website. And I might review it if I need to. But yeah. So they have the etching enamel on here. They also have LED curing lights on here. A bunch of different options as well. So those are a few options. They are on the pricier side because these are actually professional tools, very trusted. But yeah, stick around. I will show you guys another another option. I'm actually going to get into that right now. So that's where you can find the trickier products to actually like purchase. Another way that you guys can get like everything else, oh my gosh, excuse me. Everything else is pretty simple. It's basically like the cotton rounds. What else? It's basically cotton rounds, cotton swabs. You have your rhinestones and basically water for everything else or Vaseline. Yeah, so that's basically it. Those are the harder products, but I'll get to the next link, which is Amazon.com/drop dead success. I think is /shop. No, it's backwards. Um, cut, paste. Ooh, is this right? There it is. Okay, so it is Amazon.com/shop /drop dead success. And now this is my Amazon storefront where I have linked a bunch of different collections of things that I use for different routines. But you'll see I have a DIY tooth gem kit right here. And all of these items in this list are shoppable. So you just click it, add it to your cart. I would get a small commission and then when you guys purchase your stuff, but I linked everything here just to make it super helpful. And I can't wait to get these little gold jewels. I cannot wait. But yeah, so I basically listed everything in here, and y'all don't have to use everything in here if you don't want to, because everybody's kit is going to be different. Like you know, you kind of just do what works for you. But Everything's in here. So if you did buy everything in here, you would have a complete kit. You will have everything. I also made notes for what each item is. So I basically wrote down what each product is for, what each item is for, like during a step by step, and I believe it's in order, I want to say. But we have the retractable lip holders. I don't even know what that's called. We have our cotton rounds, the Perry bottle. Perry bottle is very important for like rinsing your teeth off after you use the etch, because you know how you can leave, it leaves like a little grainy thing in here. Oh, and I forgot to add, you guys might want to get a fan. So you can get like a eyelash fan or like a handheld fan to dry your teeth off, because I know like at the dentist they have them little suction things and those little the water spouts. But the handheld fans would really come in handy to be in your tooth kit, just to dry the tooth thoroughly so that the rhinestone and the resin can actually cure on a dry surface, because if it's wet, it's not gonna work, sis. So get a handheld fan. That is not on my Amazon storefront, but I'll add it in there shortly, and probably be before this video is uploaded. So if you would like to, just visit my Amazon storefront, and everything is in there. I hope this is super easy for y'all, and good luck on building your kit, sis. As I was watching back my video, I realized that they definitely either took down the bonding resin that I added there. Oh my gosh, let me find it. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm at least look for the one that I use. Oh my gosh, did they take it off of here? They took it off of Amazon. Yay. That is so messed up. I'm so happy I got my new bottle before they took it down. Let's see. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Just ruined my whole video, why don't ya? Girl. So it looks like we're gonna have to stick to the freaking Dental Bear for now. Let's see, actually. Let's find it. Here it is. Okay, so this is the resin that I use. Sign in to buy. Yeah, license required. See, that's the hardest part, is getting around it, because to do tooth gems, like even if I was doing them at a shop, I wouldn't need anything but a certificate that said that I took a course. I don't have to be licensed. Like you don't legally, you don't have to be licensed to do tooth gems or to be a tooth gem tech. You just need the training. So that's kind of annoying that they took it off. They took it off of Amazon. But I know that there's other ways to find something like it. I just hope that. Okay, so here's Prime Dental. Light Curing Dentin. This is definitely it. So maybe it's just a different bottle now. And this is definitely the one also right here. So what are they talking about? What are they talking about? See? This is the type of stuff that I'm talking about. Ay, ay, ay. So this is probably another website that wants you to have a license. I can't believe they just ruined my whole video like that. Well, it's on eBay. $13. Not gonna lie, I feel like eBay might be a good one. I don't know. I don't know if I trust eBay. Walmart? Is that Walmart? It's more expensive at Walmart, but it's at Walmart. If you have a Walmart near you, check to see if it's in stores because one, it might be cheaper, but two, people do this drop shipping stuff on Walmart where they'll list an item or like they'll list a product on Walmart and it's not necessarily in the store, but you can buy it off of Walmart and they ship it to you, but it's not sold by Walmart, if that makes sense. See, the seller is Prime Dent, but this is absolutely a way that you could, this looks like a way that you could do it, even though seems it's more expensive, way more expensive than it was up on Amazon for. I think it was on Amazon for like $8. Seller shipping, subtotal. Yeah, they're definitely taxing on Walmart, but at least you can get it without a license. Okay, so all right, it's on Walmart. All right, and then I'm going to go and look for I use the Actino gel etching enamel. That is so crazy. They took it down. Let's see what Dental Bear is talking about. Oh, let's look up that one too. Prime Dent Bonding Resin. I don't see it. Hmm. Okay, and let's look for the Actino gel. Okay, so they have the Actino here. Oh, I looked at this before. Y'all, they're taxing on shipping. So, oh, that is so annoying. That is so annoying because that's what I put in here. And when you go to checkout, look, there it is. $40 for some $40 for some shipping. They could kiss my tail. Yeah, so that's very unfortunate. I didn't even realize that they took it off of my shop, but at least we have the bonding resin on Walmart. At Walmart. I'm definitely gonna have to try out a new one. A new bonding resin and a new etchant enamel because they took my go-tos off of Amazon. That is very upsetting, to be honest with y'all, because I definitely was saying that I had a full kit and now it's no longer a full kit because my products aren't here. So that's unfortunate. Um, and I hope this wasn't a waste of time. I hope this was still a helpful video, even though they definitely took those products down. But thank y'all for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I hope I gave y'all a little bit of knowledge and information where and how to get your supplies for your tooth gems. I'll come back with an update for sure when I find, because y'all know I'm going to find it. I'm going to find where to get the bonding resin and the etchant from. But they played me. They really played me. So, but anyways, thank you guys so much. Remember, it only takes one drop to make a wave. I'll see y'all in the next video.